In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the time zone of a workflow in N8N so your scheduled automations run at the correct local time. If you're using Schedule Trigger or any time-based automation, having the right time zone is important to ensure your workflows execute exactly when you expect. To change it, open your workflow in N8N and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From there, select Settings. In the Workflow Settings window, locate the Time Zone option and choose your preferred time zone from the drop-down list. Save your changes, and that's it. Your workflow will now use the selected time zone for scheduling and other time-based operations. If you don't set a workflow-specific time zone, N8N uses your instance's default time zone, which may be New York EDT unless it's been changed. That's all there is to it. Updating your workflow's time zone helps keep your automations running accurately, no matter where you are. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.